Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do my mommy's makeup, so you gotta subscribe her channel.
Oh, you're telling them to subscribe to my channel?
And let's get started to the video.
Okay, now mommy's gonna do it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So on today's video, I have a special little guest. Liani! If you guys don't know who Liani is, she is my daughter. You can't tell.
And look at my curly hair.
Yeah. So in this video, she is gonna be doing my makeup. She's only 4, and she just turned 4.
And I'm gonna be about to be 5.
No, you're not about to be 5. She turned 4 like 3 months ago. I believe it was like 3 months ago. Yeah, 3 months ago. So she does not know much about makeup. So we're going to see how this goes. I might help her a little bit because she's really not going to know where things go. But let's see how this goes. I'm excited to see, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Just because you don't know what this is, we're going to put primer on mommy's face, okay?
Okay, primer.
So put the primer on my face and then you got to rub it like if it was lotion. Oh.
Put it in my hand.
Okay. Now you got to rub it all over my face like lotion.
Do your forehead first.
Okay.
You look like you're sweating.
I look like I'm sweating.
Yes.
It's done?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, that should be good. And then one on this side. You should be good now. Now.
Put some here.
Oh, you have a lot on your hand. Wow. You're really good at this.
Yeah,
Rub it all over, okay?
I can still see freckles.
You can still see my freckles?
Yes.
So that means you're not doing it right? Because you can still see my freckles?
I am doing it right, but I still see your freckles.
My freckles?
Your freckles.
Okay. Now the other eye.
You put them in right here.
Yeah, it's okay. And then now the other eye. Okay, now you got to take this sponge and blend it out, okay? Now, show everybody what we're going to use on the eyes.
We're going to use on the eyes
It's the Urban Decay
Open the Cray.
and Kristen Leanne palette.
Kristen's Design Palette.
Okay, wow, you're so good at this. Now, you got to show everybody what the palette looks like.
Look at this. Look at this palette looks like.
And what color are you going to use on mommy's eyes? That one?
Right there, like this. No, close your eyes.
Oh, sorry.
It's making it beautiful.
You're making it beautiful?
Look.
Aw.
Okay, we can do that right. Now I'm gonna add to the blue
Blue?
right here. Make a rainbow.
Oh, it's like a rainbow?
Now it's a rainbow.
Now it's a rainbow?
Yeah.
Wow,
Blend
girl,
it.
look at those blending skills.
I add some purple.
You add purple? Okay.
Let me put it right. I can see the purple. Add some more purple.
Girl, okay. You don't need to be that rough. This is a really pigmented
then
palette.
do this. You can see.
Which eye? This eye?
Yes. Under your eye.
Oh, under?
Yes.
Oh,
so
girl, you trying to do a smoky eye? Oh, that feels like it's gonna be really smoky. Oh, wow.
After I do this one, I'm gonna do the gold.
Okay, wow. You're really exploring with those
gonna
colors,
do the
aren't you?
gold.
So you could just tell everyone that you pretty much used almost every color in the palette.
I almost use every color in the palette because I like all the colors. Here, golden, gold. Make this happen.
Okay.
Wow, it's getting more prettier.
It is. Oh my goodness. I wish I knew how to do makeup like this.
Now we're gonna do eyeliner because see eyebrows look so pretty. The lid.
Do you see a black line?
Yes, I'm not done yet. Still. Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
Okay, you're done.
You did the black line?
Yes.
Ooh, girl.
This is what it looks like. The palette
By Juvia's Place.
by Juvia's Place.
Now you gotta open it to show them the colors.
I'm going to open it.
Okay. Now you gotta show it in the camera.
Look at it. Look at the color. This is what it looks
What
like.
color are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do
You have to show the camera. What color?
this color.
The pink?
Yes.
Okay.
You're looking so pretty. You're looking like a rainbow.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna highlight mommy's face.
And we're gonna use the Anastasia
Anastasia
and Amrezy or Amrezy
Amrezy
palette.
palette.
I mean, not palette, just highlighter. It's just a highlighter. Yes, girl. Look at that highlight. Oh, girl.
Cover in your eyebrows.
Hmm.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Put some right here.
That's okay. Just color them in. Hmm?
Hurts.
No. She wants to add some glitter. So, and she is a kid, so that's why she's having a hard time staying still. But she's doing a good job.
Right here.
Wherever you think it goes. It has product. Famous liquid lipstick
Famous liquid lipstick
by Huda Beauty.
by Buddha Booty.
Huda Beauty? Huda Beauty. Say it again. Huda Beauty.
And by Buddha Booty.
Huda Booty. Okay, do mommy's lips. Okay. What? That's okay. You're doing a good job.
You look like an old lady. I have lips. That's pink.
Okay. No, I'm not supposed to. Honey. Oh, girl, you got it on my neck. Okay. Wow.
Looks so pretty.
This is beautiful. I wish I could look like this every day. Can you do my makeup every day?
But
I feel like I'm getting Coachella vibes, like music festival, like I'm going somewhere very fun and festive. And I could do your makeup just like this too.
No, we can't.
Why not?
It looks so pretty, but it looks so ugly.
It looks pretty, but it looks ugly?
Yeah.
Why does it look ugly? You're the one that did it. Thank you for watching our video. This is the final makeover.
And thank you for watching my video. So you gotta check it out and subscribe our channel, click the bell, and you gotta watch another video.
You know more than I know.
We gotta watch the video that we did again, and see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. See you guys in the next video.